Now that we've learned our way around SolidWorks just a little bit, let's get started by creating a new part. To do this, we need to select either File, New Document. We can use the New Document option that's placed at the top of your window, or you can hit Control N on your keyboard. Now, when you start a new document, you may notice that it's on the tutorial setting for the first install. Now, we've already talked about creating our templates, so you should already be on the advanced section where you can see the templates you've created. For this example, we're going to use part millimeter and say OK. Once you're brought into your SolidWorks part, there is no geometry, so we need to start by creating a sketch. Now you want to make sure that you show at least the features and the sketch tab. Now there are a couple different ways that we can start a new sketch. The first of which is by select sketch and then telling SolidWorks which plane you want to sketch on. By default, we have the top, the front, and the right plane. We could also do this by selecting a plane and then either using the quick context menu that pops up to start a new sketch, or we can select sketch on our sketch tab. There is a third way that I like to use often if I know what I'm going to be creating from my sketch. In this case, if we know that we're going to be creating an extrude, we could select extrude, which automatically prompts us to create a sketch by selecting a plane. So in this case, let's get started in the most common way to create a new sketch by selecting sketch and selecting our top plane.